Want to record your iPad screen for amazing tutorials, gameplay highlights, or app demos? First, let's make sure the screen recording feature is enabled. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Look for screen recording under the More Controls section. If it's there, tap the plus button next to it. Great, now, screen recording should be listed under the Included Controls section. This means it's ready to use. To start recording, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen to open the Control Center. You'll see a gray circle inside a larger circle. Tap that icon to start recording. You'll see a brief countdown 3, 2, 1 and then a red icon will appear in the top right next to the battery or the time depending on your model. This red indicator at the top of your screen confirms that your iPad is actively recording. Everything you do on screen is being captured. To stop recording, simply tap the red recording indicator at the top of the screen, or reopen the Control Center and tap the red recording icon again. You'll get a notification letting you know your screen recording has been saved to your Photos app. Head to your Photos app, and you'll find your recording ready to be shared or edited. Now you can easily create incredible content right from your iPad.